batteries, power backup. Batteries commonly used for storage purpose. So, what are the batteries are commonly using for solar industry and residential purpose and commercial purpose? What are the advantages? What are the components are involving? How it is maintenance are required? All those things we are going to see in this chapter, batteries. So let's come. We can see the what are the components are involved. So batteries in an off-grid power plant increases reliability, act as a backup used in case of emergency. Purpose of battery is these four: off-grid power plant, increase reliability, act as a power backup used in case of emergency. These are the things that involved. Definition of the battery. Battery container consisting of one or more cells. That means plate. There is a positive plates and a negative plate. They be called anode, cathode, electrolyte. So battery basic component is these three things. Rest of the thing are filter cap and a rubber case. It is in it is molded in a rubber can. These are the component are using. Chemical energy is converted into electric energy. That is the nature of batteries functioning. Chemical energy into converted into electric energy used as a source of power. So capability of carrying large current. Requirement of batteries. What are the requirements there in a battery is capability of carrying large current, constant voltage. We require a constant voltage. Everybody knows their power. There are two types of power. One is an AC current, another one is a DC current, alternating current and a direct current. We can able to store the battery only DC current. AC current we cannot able to store. So we need to convert it in our domestic purpose. We are using alternative current. Because why we are using alternative current? Alternative current can able to transfer one place to one place. We can transfer larger distance. We can transfer alternative current. We can't able to transfer DC current in a larger distance. So for that reason, we are using alternative current. That alternative current we need to convert into direct current. Then only we can store in a battery. For that reason, we required a inverter. That inverter major role is alternative current converted into DC current. It's storing in the battery. Some emergency purpose, we want to take power from the battery, means that DC current need to convert into alternative current. Then we can supply in our home appliances or industry, wherever we need it, we can use it. This is the battery functioning mechanism. Long storage time. Normally, in new battery, we need 16 to 20 hours time to storing the power in a battery. So longer. Compact. Everybody knows batteries in a compact, cost effective. There is two types of batteries are available. One is in a primary and the second one is in a secondary types of batteries. So higher, what are the advantages of primary, where we can use it, the primary and the secondary, we will see right now. So higher definition, higher density battery is primary battery. Slow discharging little bit very slow, no fluid or dry cells is equal to other, no fluid like a H2SO4. It is commonly using for acid batteries. It will H2SO4 for maximum 40 to 60% is required. Distilled water required. Rest of the thing. But here primary battery does not require any fluid. Irreversible chemical reaction, non-rechargeable. Primary batteries will not be rechargeable. But mostly we commonly use in the battery is the secondary category of the battery. It is in a lower density. Rechargeable, wherever we require we can recharge. Wet cells, heavy in weight, reversible chemical reaction. So commonly we use the secondary battery only. So important parameter of the batteries, AH. AH is a battery capacity. We will measurement of the storing of the electricity, discharging of the electricity. We will calculate on a AH, battery capacity. C is in a rating based on the capacity of the storing, the speed of the storing power and the discharging the power. DOD. DOD is the component density of discharging. SO is a state of discharging. So the DOD minus SOC is commonly using self-dischargeable. Energy density. So capacity of AH, amount of energy charged in a battery that will allow 1 ampere of current to flow for 1 hour. This is the capacity of the battery. Capacity AH, power, operating hours, days of autonomy, battery efficiency, normal voltage. This is the simple mechanical calculation. C rating, indicator how much ampere of current a battery can deliver. That is the rating of the C. Normally, commonly C5, C10, C20 commonly market available these 3 type of rating batteries. Indicate also battery life. So battery life we need to increase, means we can use it on a discharging, charging in a maximum thing. We will see the next slide. Most commonly using the rate. Depth of discharging is reflected on a battery cycle, life cycle. Depth of discharging is a very, very important thing for a battery life. It will be how it will calculate. We will see how deeply battery is discharged. So depth of discharge must be below 50% of lead acid battery. Depth of discharge will be must be below 50% of the state of charging. How full a battery is state of charging is equal to 100% minus the depth of discharging. This is the calculation we will use. Self-discharging depend upon aging, number of cycle that battery life will calculate, number of charging, number of discharging, SOC and DOD. Based on that, the battery life will calculate. Elevator temperature. Normally, the battery we are filling with the fluid H2SO4. We need to keep battery before charging. We need to keep the battery 4 hours. Because that time it will happen a chemical reaction. So that chemical reaction, that time the battery will get heated. So we need to, without charging, we need to keep. So we are filling the H2SO4 fluid. So the factor affecting the capacity of battery is factor affecting rate of discharging. So commonly 50% of the, if you take 100% battery storage is happened. If we take in a mobile, the display will be there 100% mobile battery storage. Like that, every battery having the storage capacity 100%. So based on the discharging, only that battery life will be increased. That not commonly in market 10%, 20%, 50%, 80%. These are the discharging capacities, battery capacity is available. So 10%, 20% it will be affect the battery life. So we recommend 50% is discharging battery. We can using that time that battery life will be increased. Instead of, for example, 100% you charge the battery, you need to complete the 50%, then immediately you need to charge the battery. You waiting for 80% to discharge, then you are going to charge. That battery life cycle will be reduced. So 50% is a recommended battery charging. So rate of discharge. Capacity increased with the increasing plate area of number of plates. Area of plates that already we discussed, that anode, cathode, like plates are there. Negative, positive plates based on the voltage. The number of plates will decide. Density of electrolyte. Electrolyte density, we already we discussed that H2SO4 densities need to be minimum 40% to 60%. We need to keep it the density. How we can see the density? We can see in we can see in a later stage. We are hydrometer. We can take the calculation. So temperature also will affect the battery lifetime. We need to maintain the temperature, as we told. That is the battery need to be we need to keep once that fluid will fill 4 hours to 6 hours, we need to wait for charging. So like that we need to maintain the temperature. As capacity increased with increase the temperature. So lithium ion battery, high energy density, potential for yet higher capacity. These are the lithium ion battery. Does not need a prolonged priming when new. One regular charger is all that need. The third one is low maintenance. Lithium ion battery is low maintenance. No periodic discharges is needed. Specialty cells can provide a very high current to application such as power tools. So advantage of the lithium battery. Now everybody is commonly using the lithium ion batteries. This future going to be a solar also will use the lithium ion battery because of the life expectancy is more. So lithium ion battery cells type, cylindrical cell type, prismatic cells, pouch cell, button cell. These are the cell types are there. So we are commonly does not require a lithium ion battery H2SO4. So commonly used cylindrical cells, lithium ion cylindrical cells, 3.2 volt nominal volt. This is the battery model, dimension, height, normal capacity approximately, weight of approximately battery weight. So this is the calculation commonly using. Battery management system, BMS. The battery management system is an electric system that manages rechargeable battery cells or battery pack by protecting the battery from operating outside its state calculation. Secondary data reporting that data controlling its environment, authenticated getting it and or balancing it. So energy storage system, longer service life, excellent capacity retention in cycle applications, high rate charge discharge capacity, energy storage system. So light weight and small size compared to conventional batteries. That is in old batteries, no maintenance required. Very high energy efficiency. support 3222. That is the calculator, other cloud management platform. So voltage with state of charging. We can discuss. These are the topics in our next presentation, next slides. With this, I'm ending the this. And I hope enjoying our classes. You got any comments? You can any queries? Kindly fill the below form. We will be answered as soon as possible. Thank you, team. Thanks for watching our.